and welcome to Daily Salar Digital. This is Akshita Mehta. Here are some of the news that made the headlines today. Israel's Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu has said Israel does not intend to occupy or govern Gaza after the end of its war with Hamas, but the enclave must be demilitarized, de-radicalized and rebuilt. He stated that a credible force would be needed to enter Gaza as necessary to kill the killers and prevent the re-emergence of a Hamas-like entity. In an interview with Fox News, the Prime Minister said, "We don't seek to govern Gaza. We don't seek to occupy it, but we seek to give it and us a better future, and that requires defeating Hamas. I have set goals. I didn't set a timetable because it can take more time." This statement comes after Netanyahu's previous statement that Israel will indefinitely be responsible for Gaza's security due backlash from the US. On Friday, the Supreme Court provided a legal safeguard against arrests of two journalists contesting summons from the Gujarat police related to an article about the Adani Group. Justices B.R. Gawai and P.K. Mishra instructed the journalists to cooperate with the investigation and serve notice to the Gujarat government regarding the petitions filed by the duo. The legal representatives for the petitioners challenged that the report in question was not written by them. The Northeast Students Organization, a collective body comprising 8 student associations, organized protests in the state capitals of the region, expressing discontent with the alleged failure of the central government to resolve the ongoing Manipur crisis. In Assam, the All Assam Students Union, a member of NESO, staged a demonstration in Guwahati urging immediate action to restore peace in Manipur, which has been grappling with ethnic conflicts for the past 6 months. Since early May, Manipur has witnessed ethnic violence resulting in over 180 deaths and displacing more than 60,000 people due to clashes between the Meiteis and Kukis. A US court has ruled that lenders to the education technology company Byju's properly cited a $1.2 billion debt when taking control of a unit of the firm. The judge affirmed that the lenders, including Redwood Investments LLC and Silver Point Capital LP, were within their contractual rights to replace a relative of Byju's founder, Baiju Ravindran, on the board of Byju's Alpha, a special purpose company created for financing purposes, with their chosen representative. The judge rejected Byju's complaint that Timothy Paul, appointed by the lenders to oversee the special purpose entity, was inappropriately authorized to take control. Lenders have been demanding the repayment of the $1.2 billion amid the company's financial challenges following the diminishing of the pandemic-driven surge in online learning. On Friday, Gurkirat Singh Mann, who participated in 3 ODIs during the 2016 Australia tour, announced his retirement from both international and Indian cricket. The 33-year-old, who batted in the middle order for India, also delivered 10 overs of off-spin during the ODI series against Australia. The retirement decision was coming as he was in and out of the Punjab team and played his last of 7 IPL seasons in 2020. These were the major news of the day. Subscribe to Daily Salar Digital for more such updates.